Today I'll talk about creation of life in science fiction and Indian mythology. We Indian writers have also written about creation of life without employing sex organs in science fiction, as in the cloning method. In mythology, didn't Gandhari have 100 sons born without employing sex organ by the process of the cloning? Gandhari, by the blessing of sage Vyasji, born a lump of flesh in her womb, and Vyasji took out from her womb a shapeless mass and divided it into many pieces and developed it into children by placing them in many jars. On cloning, Harish Goyal has written 3 science fiction stories collection. Others have also penned on cloning. Guru Sukracharya revives his mother to life after Lord Vishnu had killed. Sukracharya ji also restores thousands of the soldiers, dead soldiers who died in the war. Again restored them to life. And he has done by applying on them Sanjeevani Vidya. Sanjeevani je herbal medicine or jadi booty. Can a dead man be alive? In mythology, Ashwathama killed Parikshit in his mother's womb with the Brahmastra, a celestial weapon. Lord Krishna later restored him to life in her womb. But in science fiction, such thing can happen through cloning. Take the child cell from the womb and then again through the process of the cloning, develop it outside the womb and again placed in the embryo into the womb of a woman. The child which is born will be a clone of the man. I have used this phenomena in my fiction, science fiction Sanjeevani, where a woman gets her dead husband alive by using the technique of cloning. In one sense, a person has died, but in another sense, he is alive. As in many other science fiction, as in Kalpana Kulshre's science fiction, Digital Husband. He is alive if we take out the dead person's memory his whole personality, his emotions into the computer uploaded, he will behave as a living person. The computer will be called a digital brain.